Psychological facts about women unrevealing female pleasure. The more you psychologically stimulate a woman, the easier it is for her to reach orgasm. Use of creams during foreplay in specific areas can intensify this stimulation. One study revealed that if a woman appreciates the smell of her partner, the chances of falling in love increases by 97%. The importance of smell and emotional connection cannot be underestimated. Many women worry about their appearance during sex. Surprisingly, 38% of women say it's just for free meals, highlighting the complexity of women's motivation. During ovulation, women experience higher desires and level of arousal, and unfortunately, many men don't take advantage of this unique opportunity. The phenomena of natural selection reveals that women find men three times more attractive when they perceive interest from other women. After the age of 40, some women prefer to be penetrated from behind. Understanding these changes is vital to ensure a satisfying sexual experience. If she opens up upset, she will feel better if you try to find out why and offer attention and empathy. It's essential to avoid ambiguity by looking at her as more than a friend, avoiding entering the dreaded friend zone. Surprisingly, 68% of women admitted to considering having an affair if they knew they could get away with it. This highlights the importance of trust and commitment in relationships. Some women are capable of loving their best friend more than their boyfriend. This emotional complexity deserves understanding and respect. Sex for women in her 40s can be wonderful, especially if accompanied by intelligence and emotional balance. This phase is usually filled with self esteem and self love, transcending the mere union of two bodies. The average size of vagina is 8 to 10 centimeters long, makes an average penis more than enough to generate pleasure in women. Respecting limits and desire is crucial for a positive, intimate experience. If a woman teases you and gives you nicknames, she is usually attracted to you, seeing you as more than a friend. Women in their 40s are turned on by successful businessmen who make them dream of building successful businesses around the world. Women appreciate it when you notice the signals they give off through their body language, often without being aware of it. Signs such as pointing your toes, playing with your hair, or physical closeness are solid indicators of attraction. In some cultures, such as the French, oral sex is seen as a natural and necessary part of foreplay. Understanding and respecting cultural nuances is essential for a harmonious, intimate experience. A woman's sexual desire reaches its peak at the age of 22. If she asks you to ejaculate on her face or breast, it means she had a highly satisfying sexual relationship. By understanding female psychological complexity, we can improve intimacy and connection in relationships. The importance of psychological stimuli during sex is an aspect that is often underestimated but crucial for female pleasure. The evolution of sexual preferences after the age of 40 highlights the need for adaptability and mutual understanding. Attention to nonverbal communication, clarity of intent, and respect for boundaries are fundamental to creating an enriched experience. Valuing self-esteem and self-love combined with intelligence and emotional balance takes sex for a 40-year-old woman to a wonderful and meaningful level. Understanding that the connection goes beyond bodies, involving emotion and non-verbal signals, provides a deeper and more satisfying experience for both parties. In conclusion, respecting individuality and cultural nuances, recognizing the signs of attraction, and providing psychological stimuli contributes to an intimate experience that transcends the physical, reaching a deeper level of emotional connection. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe the channel.